Hey guys, we're here. We're in another video. We are going to show what not to do with your parakeet and what to do with your parakeet. I am a new parakeet owner, and they still don't trust me yet because I just got them tomorrow, but I already know what to do and what not to do. Okay, so if they're like close to the edge of the cage, never put your finger in, and yeah, like, okay, that's my, and, okay, so, whenever you're opening the cage, try to make as little noise as you can. And whenever you open the cage, never put your finger in like this whenever you're a new owner, because that means that you're like gonna hurt them. That's what they think. Always put your hand in like 5 minutes a day. Keep your bird's cage into a spot that you usually spend most of your time in, because so that they could get used to your presence. So yeah, like explain that. Like if they trust you, then you can put your thing in. So that's the guide. Bye bye.